Welcome to ClearTask. If you have been trying to remove that stubborn horizontal line in your Microsoft Word header, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to get rid of it in just a few simple clicks. First, open your Microsoft Word document. To access the header, simply double-click the very top area of your page. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Insert tab at the top, click on Header, and then select Edit Header from the drop-down menu. Once your cursor is active inside the header area, simply click right above the line. Next, head over to the Home tab on the top ribbon. Look carefully for the Paragraph section and locate the Borders tool. The icon looks like a little square window grid. Click the small drop-down arrow right next to the Borders icon. From the menu that appears, simply click on No Border. And there you go, the line is instantly removed. To exit the header and go back to your work, just double-click anywhere outside the header area in the main body of your document. It is that simple. If this quick tip saved you some time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.